Hey, Bryce here, back with Turn Your Name into Cash, and just a basic overview of starting your own blog and how by sharing and helping other people set up a blog you can make some extra money. What I'm going to talk about right now is we did talk about plugins and what 3 plugins to start off with. I would like to quickly share something on the settings, and I can't remember if I talked about this in the last video or not, but this is really important. If you're setting up different categories, and then when you make your blog post, if you decide you want to try to target certain keywords, it comes with a default post number, which just leaves like a number at the end of your blog post, which is not very SEO friendly. So what you want to do is come down and hit custom structure, have /% category, %/% post name percentage, and what that will do is will add whatever category you've chosen, and then it will also put your post name of your blog post. So if you're going after a keyword like online marketing or something like that, it'll add that into the title of your blog post. So your blog post name plus you'll have that as a full URL, which is very good in Google's eyes. So that's just one little tip there. If you want to ever change the theme, just in Appearance, go to Themes. This is the theme that kind of came with GDI as the default theme. They also have their own theme here, which I don't know that I would really recommend. But you can go in to Install Themes, and you can either search for a certain theme that you know about, or you can come and choose some things over here that might interest you and do a search. And at any time, you can either upload one if you have one, and it's pretty simple. Once you bring it over and find it and click on it, all you gotta do is come over here. Like if I want to change this theme right now to the GDI theme, I could just hit activate, and it would become my theme on my blog. So pretty simple there. And then widgets, very important. This is kind of the side of your blog over here. So if I go to the front of the website right now and I look down over here, this is a widget right here. It's just a text widget. You can add HTML. I basically just took HTML from my Who is Bryce Woodard page, copy and pasted it over in this text widget, and it ended up over along the side of my blog. That's also how you can enter banners in, or an opt-in page, opt-in code to build your list, stuff like that. So like I say, you can get rid of widgets or add widgets, and it's pretty much just as easy as grab, drag and drop. So if I wanted to add another text widget, I could just pull this over here, add it in, put in either a banner or some text or whatever I want, save it. But this one I'm just going to delete because I really don't want it over there right now. The next thing is you can change the header on this blog theme. They got several to choose from. If you decide to keep this theme, you can come down here, just check on one of these headers, and then hit save down here, and you'll have that new header for your blog. You can also have a custom one made, and if you have it on your computer, you could just browse and upload it. Not too hard there. And that's all we're going to talk about on this one. Thank you.